Congratulations everyone! You all have qualified to the level 2 of the donut tutorial series in Blender. So, in this level 1 we have all created that donut base with the icing, make the drifting effect and then the plane. So, and last the render. So this level is only for developing our donut, means our donut is not looking so much realistic. To make it more realistic we have to complete this level part by part. So I will start my this video and I will start my level 2. So here the icing is looking too clear. This is because there are no sprinkles, so there is nothing fun of you eating donut without any sprinkles. So there must be some sprinkles. The sprinkles are the cylindrical shaped objects. So what we can do here is just here the camera, we've just hide these cameras and light. And one thing, I have my camera out of this donut collection. You can also, if you do not have, you can also make this out by just clicking here and then dragging. And what I have done here is I have make this, I have moved this floor into a new collection named as floor and wall. To how to go, by first click the floor, then M, and then by new collection type in the name floor and wall. I am not typing as I have done, and you will get this floor and wall. And inside that floor and wall there is I will do inside that floor and wall you will get this floor. So I have separated this floor and then the camera out of this donut collection and the light also, and I will hide this one also and then the floor. So here I have my donut isolated. So here what I will do, to add a sprinkle, just shift A as you know here, then mesh, and then you can go to cylinder. But one thing you can notice here, that if you say the sprinkles, that they have a rounded top. So it can be possible to make this cylinder have a rounded top and bottom, but we have an alternative way. So let's take it. What is it, the alternative way? So X for delete, then I will shift A, then mesh, then I will select this UV sphere. So this UV sphere, I will drag this and move this by G, and I want to get its location. So by number pad 1 to get its side view, and then what I will do here is just go to wireframe mode by clicking here, but shortcut Z, and then go to wireframe and you will get this one. So what I will do here is just select the half. So I am not in edit mode. To go in edit mode, just click on tab and then click everywhere, then this one. So this half is selected. Now why I am going to wireframe mode, if you do not seen my part 2 of the donut tutorial series of level 1, so please see it, there you will get a idea. So I am discussing in short that I have gone in wireframe mode because I want to select full half. So number pad 1, and then I just zoom out, and then just I will grab this one and then I will make it up. So one thing, my proportional editing is on. To off, just click O there to off. I do not need my proportional editing now. So just G for dragging and just stop. So one thing, if you can see here that it is difficult to align top. So what you can do, you can align with the Z axis. So click on, press Z, and you will get totally aligned in your Z axis. You cannot move anywhere. So I will make my adjustments. I want to make my sprinkle a bit tall. So yeah, so now what you can do here, one thing, they are rounded but not like this. This is too much rounded. So what I can do here is just I will scale it down. So I will scale it, but you can see it's tapering. I do not want this tapering effect. I want to scale up and down, means I want to make this one a bit synced. So what I can do here is by scaling it on the Z axis. Anything top bottom, you want to do anything with top bottom, just press Z. This Z axis will always work with your top and bottom. So I will just press Z and then taper it down. So same thing, not too much tapering. So same thing, what I will do here is just one, then one, yeah, and then at last this bottom part also, it should be roughly same. So Z, scale Z, now Z, this is too much, so I will just select this one and thus, yeah, like this, yeah. So I will just go to tab and then go to object mode, then Z, solid, and you will get this one. So one thing I can do here is by shades mode, do not add a subsurface. You can see here there is a rough edge, but do not add a subsurface. This is because there will be many sprinkles in our donut. There is not one sprinkle, and this subsurface will increase your resolution and it will be very tough to operate with it. So just do not add your subsurface, and it is not visible from there because my donut is too small, and then there will be minute this sprinkles, so there will be not visible. Do not add a subsurface modifier as I have added here. So you can see the donut, this one is too far, so I will move it close and then scale this down because this is too big. For scaling S and then scale this down, and then I will grab this one by G, and then you can see here the screencast tools is showing. So here grabbing this up and welcome, no, yeah, this one, grab this up, still big, so I will scale this down to small, yeah, it's now okay, and I will scale this on the Z axis to make it little bit taller, and scale this on the X axis, no, not needed, so let be. So X axis is this red, right? You can also get here by, here is a red and there is X written, and Y is green, and if you go to number pad 1 you will see this blue. Blue is the Z, you can see here. So it is really tough to duplicate this one. What is duplicate? Shift D to duplicate this one. You can duplicate this one and place here, but I do not want it because it will take a lot of time, because there will be thousands to thousands of sprinkles. So what I can do here, Blender comes with a very important software, means important properties, is that if you go in this properties tab, properties means this particle properties, and here you will get this one. You have not seen that if you go to here will be new, the material, when you add a new material there will be new, but here in this particle properties there are no new. So it is easy, just click on this plus. So I will select my icing and then I will click on plus, and you will see a big ball is appearing on it, and if you hit space bar the ball will go on falling. So what you can see here, this, if you again space bar, you will see this one is going, this is the frame rate. So I will make shift left arrow, space to stop, and then shift left arrow to make it first frame, and then I do not want this one. So what I can do here is just go to hair, and you will see there are hairs particles on it. So what I am to do here is I want to do not want this hair, I want this hair particles to be on this icing, means this, sorry, this is what I said, sprinkles. So just name this one, so F2 to name, then sprinkles. So here I will choose my icing, and then I will, if you go down, you will see here render. Click on that arrow and you will see it's rendering as path, means these hairs are the paths. So I do not want to render it as path. Click on it and you will get a drop down. From there select object. So nothing will appear because no object is selected. To add an object here, just go here and then there instance. Click on this color dropper, eyedropper, then go here and then add sprinkles. So you can see here there are sprinkles, isn't it? Yeah, lot of fun. So what you can see here is just to see here is here. Okay, one thing, yeah, just confirmation. So I have made any mistake or not. So here there are a lot of sprinkles here, and you can increase this amount by numbering. You can see the numbers here. You can increase. I am increased it to 2000. Yeah, it's likely. But one thing, if you click, the sprinkles are facing only one direction. I do not want this one. I want its randomness. So to go to randomness, just click on this advanced, and as you click on this advanced, you will, if you scroll down, you will get lot of extra things. So you will get this rotation value here. So just check the box next to it and then open it, and then you will get the rotation by velocity and velocity. Now go to normal and you will get normal, and but here also it's not so. So what I will do here, increase this randomize, and you will see this will be and randomize. So one thing is there, these are emerging into it. So I will not increase this randomize fully. I want like this. Okay, yeah, normalize, yeah, randomness, yeah, like that. It's okay now. So now you will get this all. So here there is a phase. If you increase, you can get another types of formulas, and here randomize will make this rotation here. So this is okay, play with it. Okay, so I will make this icing far away and then just press 0 to get a this one, and then I will unhide this camera, light, everything. So you can see here we have this. Where is my sprinkle? Yeah, I do not want my sprinkle to be into my camera and it's watching it floating. I do not want that one. So just like that only. So what you can do here is one thing is here, when you just throw these sprinkles over it, you will see most of the sprinkles will go over this, not here. This dripping not will get into this dripping, but it is doing because it is not our human. So you can change it by going into Ctrl Z. No, Ctrl Z, you can go from Ctrl Z to here wet paint, or you can go from here also wet paint. So I will go here, and this is all blue. What is this blue representing? This blue is representing the strength. So what I will do here is I will just check this particle box, this one, to not see. Okay, so now what I can do here is just, if you decrease the strength and then draw, it will green, and if you totally increase the strength and then draw, it will be red, and if you totally undecrease, you will be blue there. Okay, it's not working. Why? Strength. Okay, no, wet. I want this wet one too. Yeah, this wet, if you down this will be blue. Increase it to full, then it will be red. So yellow is the less than red, then green, then blue, sky blue, then dark blue. So I will make this red everywhere here. One thing, Ctrl Z. Okay, so I will just make this one for easy working. I do not want to see all that sprinkles over it for now. So one thing I will do here, I will draw here. All the sprinkles should over it. Okay. In sculpting mode, you have seen that F is used for changing the size of the radius of this one, and wait to 0, and then I will draw this one, and for shift A to make the strength. So here is also the same, so you have easy way. So what I will do here is just make this edges also. Yeah, it's easy, too easy. So here, and it is not so, because what I will do here is just make little drops here, so that it's not totally like that only. Okay, means where will be the red areas, there will be more sprinkles, and where will be the blue, there will be very less sprinkles or no sprinkles. So I will just go to object mode and I will check this box here, but no change. Can I get any change? No, nothing. This is because if you go to this vertex properties, this vertex object data properties, we'll see here this vertex group has, this is a group, and if you go to these particles, you will say you can get here viewport display, no, here you will get vertex groups, and here density, I want this density, and if you click here you will get group. You can, okay, one thing, you can go to this object data and then rename it by, let's say, sprinkles density, sprinkle density, and if you go here in this particles and here density, you will get sprinkle density. Click on it and just that, yeah, so you have got it. So it is showing a lot of sprinkles, so I do not want. So what I will do here is just decrease to 1 2, okay, my nums lock, yeah, 1 2 0, and it's okay. And another thing, in the wet pen mode, sorry, not vertex, wet pen mode, I will make more, okay, my wet to full, and then I will make more. I want here more, not like that, yeah, it is showing no sprinkles here. I want a bit of sprinkles here, isn't it? I will check that box to get easy view, because it may disturb me too much. Yeah, it's like that, it's fun, it's like just drawing everything. And I will go to a object pane, then yeah, I've got what I'm wanting to. Again, can do play with it, yeah, I want this to full, yeah, and then go to object mode and you will see this one. So I have finished my video here. Thank you very much. And